Hello and welcome to my YouTube video. This video will feature some footage from various different Garmin dash cams. The first one you'll see in this clip is the Garmin Dash Cam Tandem. It's a dual camera setup. Both cameras, interior and exterior, are 180-degree angle field of view. The front camera is a 1440p resolution and the interior camera is a 720p resolution. As you will see from the footage, the front camera is very clear, features very good high dynamic range, and from the interior camera you get a clear view of what's going on in the cabin. Now, a lot of people think that this will be a one camera fits all solution and they'll have a good degree of view from the back window, but in reality this is not the case. The camera interior is, well, the inside camera is designed specifically for the interior. You'll be able to see what's going on in the cabin, but it won't really give you a good field of view of what's going outside the back window of your vehicle. However, it does give good coverage of the interior. In this next clip, I'm using the Garmin Dash Cam 66W, which is very similar to the Tandem in fact that it has the wide-angle front lens and the same resolution, but it doesn't have an interior camera. Instead, I'm using the Garmin Dash Cam Mini as the rear camera, and I'm using Garmin's auto sync function to take footage from both. As you see from this clip, a car pulled out, there was a near miss, but they managed to get good footage in front and behind. And this is what I recommend if you want to have a good exterior view of what's going on around your vehicle. Now, the last footage you'll see is taken from the front-facing camera of the Dash Cam Tandem. Now, in my personal opinion, after testing various different models, I would choose to opt for the Dash Cam Tandem and a Dash Cam Mini for the rear. The reason being is that they use internal capacitors rather than lithium-ion batteries. Batteries are subject to changes in temperature, and I found that I had a few issues with the 66W when it was left in the sun. I haven't had such problems with the Tandem, and that's why I believe this is the best way to go. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.